Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the DJI Mini 3 drone. I've been really excited about this drone for a while now, and I can't wait to share my thoughts on it with you guys. So, without further ado, let's get started. Here's the box for the DJI Mini 3. It's a relatively small box, which is great because it means that the drone is very portable. Inside the box, we have the drone itself, the remote controller, a battery, a charging cable, and a few other accessories. Let's take the drone out of the box and take a closer look at it. The DJI Mini 3 is a very compact and lightweight drone. It weighs less than 250 grams, which means that it's classified as a sub-250-gram drone. This means that you don't need a pilot's license to fly it in most countries. The drone has a foldable design, which makes it even more portable. It's easy to fold up and put in your backpack or purse. On the front of the drone, we have the camera. The DJI Mini 3 has a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and a 24mm f/1.7 lens. This allows it to shoot high-quality 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. On the bottom of the drone, we have the landing gear and the propellers. The landing gear is retractable, which helps to reduce drag during flight. The remote controller is also very compact and lightweight. It has all of the controls you need to fly the drone, as well as a built-in display. The battery is also very small and lightweight. It has a capacity of 2,420 mAh, which gives the drone a flight time of up to 31 minutes. Now, let's talk about my review of the DJI Mini 3. Overall, I'm very impressed with this drone. It's small, lightweight, and easy to fly. It also takes great photos and videos. Here are some of the pros and cons of the DJI Mini 3. Compact and lightweight design. Easy to fly. High-quality photo videos and long flight time. Affordable price. Good battery life. Cons. No obstacle avoidance sensors. No active tracking mode. Overall, I think the DJI Mini 3 is a great drone for beginners and experienced pilots alike. It's easy to fly, takes great photos and videos, and is very affordable. If you're looking for a compact and lightweight drone that's still capable of shooting high-quality footage, then the DJI Mini 3 is a great option. That's it for my unboxing and review of the DJI Mini 3 drone. I'm also planning to do some drone operating videos in the future, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Experience the world like a bird with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more drone videos. Goodbye and see you soon.